Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to use Gemini Live on Google Home Speaker, set up and start live conversation mode. Step 1. Upgrade to Gemini for Home. Open the Google Home app on your Android or iPhone. Then tap your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. Select Home Settings from there and then tap Gemini for Home or Early Access if shown. If you are eligible, tap Get Started. Read and accept the required disclosures and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the upgrade. Step 2. Verify device and subscription requirements. Gemini Live is only available on supported devices and requires a Google Home Premium subscription. Compatible devices include Google Home Speaker, Nest Audio, Nest Hub 2nd Gen, Nest Hub Max, Nest Mini 2nd Gen. Step 3. Start a Gemini Live conversation. Once Gemini for Home is enabled, say, Hey Google, let's chat. Wait for the confirmation chime indicating Gemini Live is active. Start speaking naturally. And during the conversation, you can ask follow up questions without saying, Hey Google again. Interrupt Gemini while it's speaking. Change topics at any time. Brainstorm ideas or have a natural back and forth conversation. Step 4. End or resume the conversation. When you are finished, simply say, Thank you. Stop. I am done. Goodbye. You can also stop speaking, and Gemini Live will automatically end the session after a short period of inactivity. If you would like to continue the same conversation later, say, Hey Google, let's chat again. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.